Hello, this is Eric, the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Ford F-150 in an FX4 trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and recently detailed so it's nice and clean. This truck does also have a remote vehicle start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck, but let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3, which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders as well as a 110 volt and 12 volt power outlet. And now looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 107,610 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip A and B information, as well as your fuel economy, your truck apps such as your off-road status and trailer status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, auxiliary, and I believe also Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen you have your hill descent assist and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen you have your hazards as well as all your media controls and your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with your locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12 volt with a cubby beneath it. And then moving on to your shifter, which does have SelectShift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button here at the bottom. Then you have 2 cup holders and your locking center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside. Does have your auxiliary and USB, so you can, and another 12 volt so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.